Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money from Cash App to Wise. Here's how to do it in 3 easy steps. First, cash out from Cash App. First, open the Cash App, tap your balance, tap Cash Out. Choose how much to send to your bank account. Tap Standard or Instant. Confirm with your PIN or fingerprint. Next, wait for the money to arrive in your bank. Standard 1 to 3 days. Instant just a few minutes. Next, add money to Wise. Open the Wise app, tap Add or Add Money. Select the currency you want. Choose bank or transfer or debit card. Enter the amount and confirm. And you're done. Now your money is in Wise and you can send it anywhere in the world. And that's it. That's how to send money from Cash App to Wise. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.